Hello friends and welcome to your YouTube channel iTech World. Today I am making this video in open area while traveling. There might be some background noise, so accept my apology in advance. In today's video, I shall provide you answers of latest MCQs based test on well prestigious essay writing website BEWRITERS.com. After watching this video, you will be able to get a new set of MCQs which can be quite effective and useful for you in getting through your test as well. As you know, in language test, we get new MCQs every time we start taking test. I'll keep uploading new videos on different occasions comprising new test MCQs. If you keep watching all of those videos carefully, you will be able to get through your exams quite comfortably. So let's get started. In today's language test, we have got the very first question. The plane was climbing through the sky. In the first blank space, we have to make the use of this article va. So option number 3 is the best choice here. Let's move to the next question. The further we went, the more tired we became. In second question, option number 3 is the most appropriate choice. Let's move to question number 3. If the water boils, it is time to add the rest of the ingredients. In this question, this word would be the most suitable choice. Let's move to the next question. He called the police because his wallet had been stolen. This word because is the most appropriate choice here for this blank option. Come to the next question. Stop complaining about your problems in front of the people you hardly know. This word complaining is the best choice here for this blank option. So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, come to the next question. She was not able to leave him to do all the work on his own, so I decided to help. In this question, option number 3 is the best choice. Come to the next question. You should have your car repaired. This word repaired is the most accurate option for this question. Okay, let's move to the next question. Unfortunately, they did not back me up when I was in trouble. Preposition up is the most accurate option for this blank space. Is that clear? Let's move to question number 9. You are lucky to study abroad. Take advantage of this great opportunity. Preposition of would be the most suitable option for this question. Okay, come to the next question. I will clean up the room later, she said. The reported speech of this sentence would be she said that she would clean up the room later. Would clean is the most appropriate option here for this question. Okay, move to the next question. People enjoy receiving compliments, though they often skillfully hide it. Option number 2 is the most accurate option here. Let's move to question number 12. The man seemed stationary because he was so far from us. Here, the last option, stationary, is the most correct option. Okay, come to the next question. I was searching for a film to watch when someone knocked at my door. Option number 2, was searching, is the correct choice here. Is that clear? Let's move to the next question. Keeping a healthy way of life has, not surprisingly, become a popular trend. A popular must be separated here. Okay, there is a mistake here. Okay, keeping a healthy way of life has, not surprisingly, become a popular trend. This word is the correct option here. Okay, come to the next question. Nevertheless, I do not think you need to break up. This would be the most accurate option here for this sentence. Come to the next word, next question. We left Rome and flew over the Alps. Here for this blank option, we will not make the use of any article. So the sentence would be we left Rome and flew over the Alps. Okay, we will not pronounce this word flew. This would be flew. Okay. Okay, come to the next question. I cannot find my charger. I'm afraid I might have forgotten it in the car. Past participle forgotten would be the most accurate option for this question. How will you pronounce this word? Forgotten. This is forget, and the past participle of this verb is forgotten. This is an irregular verb. Okay, so option number 3 is the most accurate choice here for this question. Let's move to question number 18. Progressive people are always in favor of new ideas. Option number 4 is the correct option here. Let's move to question number 19. If I had a reflexive camera, I could be a great photographer, she said. The reported speech would be, she said that if she had a reflexive camera, she could have been a great photographer. Here option number 3 is the most accurate choice. Okay, come to the next one. The meeting took up the whole evening. This is quite easy. Preposition up is the most accurate choice here. So option number 4 is the correct option. Let's move to question number 21. I'm jealous of your new purse. Preposition of would be the most appropriate choice here. Okay, come to question number 22. Supposing you won in a lottery, what would you spend the money at? Would you spend is the most appropriate and correct choice here for this question. Is that clear? Okay, come to question number 23. He is used to drinking coffee every morning. Option 3 is the correct option for this blank choice. Is that clear? In this sentence, you will make the use of drinking. So option number 3 is the correct option. Let's move to the last question of this language test. I was searching for a film to watch when someone knocked at my door. Was searching. This is the most correct and accurate option for this last question. Is that clear? Okay, that was your first language test, and for your subjective test, we have again got 15 questions, and these questions must be attempted in the given 15 minutes time. Keep in mind, subjective test would be of your own choice. Here we have selected English language as the first subject, so we have to attempt this test. This is quite easy. Okay, the very first question of this test is, which of the following titles was not written by John Milton? Paradise Lost, The Fairy Queen. This one is not written by John Milton. The Fairy Queen. This is quite easy. Okay, move to question number 2. It came about that Jody was my neighbor. Came about. This one is the correct answer here. Is that clear? Okay, let's come to the next question. I think all kids are copycats. It means they copy other people's behavior. This one is the most accurate answer. Copy other people's behavior. Okay, let's move to the next question. Choose a sentence that as an example of the zero conditional. This is quite easy. Okay, if you put a guide dog, it gets distracted. Okay, everybody knows in zero conditional sentence, we make the use of simple present on both the two sides. This is the best choice here. Okay, let's move to question number 5. In what century did Christopher Columbus discover America? This is the easiest question in this test. Everybody knows 15th century. Okay, let's come to the next question. Last time Sam gave me the cold shoulder. It means Sam ignored me. This is quite easy. This is an important idiomatic phrase. Ignored me. That would be the most suitable choice here. Susan is my best friend. I have always liked her. This is the correct choice. Let's move to the next question. Choose a correct synonym for the verb in bold. They tried hard as they could so ascertain the immediate consequences of the infection to determine what would be the most appropriate choice. Let's move to question number 9. Which word come to the next question. Which word class does the word in bold belong to? My sister and I used to fight all the time. Here, option number 3 would be the correct option. And is a conjunction. Is that clear? So this is the most appropriate choice. Let's move to question number 10. How would you sign a letter that addresses a person who do not personally know? Yours faithfully. Okay. You will always write yours faithfully at the end of your official letter or application when you don't know a person uh, okay, to whom you are addressing. Yours faithfully is the most accurate option for this question. Okay, let's come to the question number 11. We've been knowing each other for decades. I think it's time to let the cat out of the bag. There is a typo mistake here. Okay, what would be the most appropriate choice here? Have secrets from each other, be frank with each other, have another friend, and stop friendship. First option is the best choice here. Is that clear? Let's move to the next question. She's got solid academic background. It means education. This is the most appropriate choice. Okay, come to the second last question. Sorry, third last question. Question number 13. I miss my friend so much. She has gone to Oslo and lives there now. Last option is the most accurate option. Okay, has gone. Let's come to the second last question. English sentences follow the classic structure. What would be the classic structure for English sentences? Okay, first we make the use of subject, then there comes verb, and at the end we use object. This would be the proper order and sequence. Subject, verb, and object in English sentences. Is that clear? Okay, come to the last question. What is a correct participle of the verb to drink? Okay, this is an irregular verb. So last one would be the most appropriate choice. Drunk. This would be the correct answer. Okay. So that was today's lecture. Okay. Wish you all the best.